Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can do the team setting in your StreamYard account. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website and then we have to create our account or we have to log in our account. And after that, we need to go to the option which is called team setting. Let's click on the team setting option. And after clicking on the team setting option, so as you can see, it has a team name. If you want to change your team name, you can also do that. Has an option for the team name. For example, I have written the editor here. Then you can write the design as. For example, I'm going to write the design as here, and if you want to save this, you have to click on the save and it will be saved. So as you can see, automatically delete recording once storage limit is reached. If you want to enable this, you can also do that. As you can see, it has an option for the request SSO. So as you can see, SSO, single sign in on. If you want to check out this, manage access to StreamYard through our SML or OIDC based identity provider. So if you want to enable this or if you want to request this, you can also do that. You can also go to the billing option. As you can see, upgrade your plan. If you want to upgrade your plan, you can also do that. You can add the more team members. You can also get the more storage from here. So as you can see, these all options are provided here. You just need to provide them. On air integrations, if you want to check out this on air integration, you can also do that. Create as apps to automatically transfer registration info. You have to create this as in has an option for the configure. So you have to click on the configure and it will be automatically done. So in this way, you can manage your team setting options on the StreamYard. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.